is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Times, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I do that. Today I've got one that was sent by a reader. She's from Australia. Goes by the handle of Ferengi. Thank you so much. This is Indomie. Mi Goreng. Cabe, and I don't know how the last word is. Is it like ijo or iho? I don't know. But it's Indonesian. Cabe iho translates to green chili. So it's green chili Indomie. The last time I had this, I'll tell you more about that in a second. Our sachets. Got kind of beat up on the way, but you know, it's Mi Goreng, so that's really not a big concern here. So, and it goes for 3 minutes. There we go. So, Indomie, you probably had it if you're watching this show. If you haven't, I highly recommend it. Pretty easy to find. Well, this year is the 50th anniversary of Indomie, as you can see here. Well, technically speaking, I think this variety of Indomie, it may be the 10th anniversary of that too. Because when they sent me that, they sent me this bowl, which I love this freaking bowl. This is so rad, and I love using it with Indomie. Usually it's more of a soup bowl. Check it out. They sent me this 10 years ago. And their pack, the pack of the Cabe Iho that I had this logo on it. And it also says, I don't know what that means. I really should look it up. Berbeda beta satus celera. And I know I've seen Celera. God, where is that from? I think it's another variety of another noodle brand. Celera Pedas. That's it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the Celera part is. Berbeda beta Satu Celera. I don't know, but it's a cool bowl. They also sent me a Super Me bowl. Super Me is another Indo food product. But yeah, I used to have a nice line of communication with Indo Food CBP, and I can't get a hold of them. It's been a while. We'll see. Maybe I can rekindle that that connection. However, Ferengi, she sent me a ton of Indomie varieties. There's really not much of any that I can think of now that I haven't tried. I think there might be multiple of the real meat varieties, and if there are, pardon me, I did have one of those, and if there's more, then I haven't had that. But there was like some thing where people are asking, how many types of Indomie have you tried? There's like 60. And I gotta guess that I'm pretty close to having tried them all. And what I haven't tried, I've gotten a box over there. So that's pretty exciting. I like that. I tried one again for the first time in 12 years, maybe longer. That is probably going to be on a top 10 list this year. Or I say, the big top 10 list this year. So we'll see. I think it will, though. I mean, it's freaking amazing stuff. Something I thoroughly enjoy. The trick with top 10s, though, is knowing if things are still in production. And sometimes, like, I can't find anything about it. Any places that were selling it, I can't find anything about that. All I get is, stuff basically that sounds like, oh, they don't even make that anymore. You can't get it anymore. That just screams it doesn't exist anymore. I want to get it right. I don't like doing top 10 lists of stuff that are still available. If it's not still available, what are you gonna do? I've had that happen. Yeah, green chili. I wonder if they'll ever do like a green curry. They've got a chicken curry that's really quite good. Where's my scissors? I thought I had the scissors over here. No, I guess I don't. So that will have to be rectified. 2 sachets. This is like a seasoning oil and probably green chili paste. And this one is ketchup manis. It's sweet soy sauce, basically. So we're going to add all this in. And man, just this powder sachet and it already smells good. It's kind of the way it works. There we go. Here, I'll let you watch. Because this is a fun part. It's fun. I think, at least. In goes the sweet soy sauce. Gravity is helping with the other one. There we go. I try to get as much out as I can too. And now, a mix. Nope. Smells like hot green chilies. There was a ad for Christmas many years ago that had Santa Claus wearing a green suit because the noodles turn green. But wait. They celebrate Christmas in Indonesia? Oh yeah, dude. They celebrate all the holidays. Oh, you go over to Southeast Asia. For one part, there's a lot of products that are made over there. So, and for the other part, I don't know. It seems like you go to like Malaysia or Thailand or Taiwan. And if there's a holiday, like all the Western holidays, they at least observe them to some degree. So there is no problem with that. Let's give it a try. It's good. The green chili flavor. If you like say green curry, you might get a note of familiarity of the heat, I think. That's good. I don't want that right in the front. Even though it's the 50th anniversary, you're gonna see that it says 40th on this. This is like the perfect example of something to use this for, too. I think, with my face. Okay, so I'm going to just put this in here. Want to put that in my face though. I think I will after the show. This may be lunch. There's that. I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit. Now I believe I have 2 soft-boiled eggs left. And thus far, I've used fried egg on everything that's from Indonesia, but so many of the varieties that I've been reviewing lately on the packaging show a boiled egg. Oh, is this the last one? Oh. Well, that's fine. It really wouldn't work on the next review anyways, because that's a yakisoba. get my hands dirty. So there's some egg. Marinated in a mix of soy sauce and water. Because generally, I don't eat them. I know, right? I eat fried ones. I'm going to add some fish ball. And some coriander. Let's see, do I have a nicer one? It's really driving me nuts because the coriander I get around here seems to go bad so quickly. But a little smidge of wilted coriander. Yeah, we'll call that good. And then we've got some this fried onion. And I think I'll put a little bit of that. Like that. Do I want to do sesame seed? I think I do. Not much, a little. I wonder if I'm even going to do reviews tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to go see my doctor. Dr. Yang. Who is from Taiwan. Really cool dude. I always bring him noodles. It's true. It's true. Yes, noodles are part of every facet of my existence, ladies and gentlemen. I can't believe you would think otherwise. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go. All right, so the next one you're going to see tomorrow, this will be Nissen UFO. This is Koi Koi Yakisoba. So, be here for that. And I hope you're enjoying your summer. It is still spring here, or it's not even spring yet. It's March 2nd. So, hopefully everything's going good for you. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.